This is how we engineered to make cat blankets for the animal shelter that stay on the bed.
All you'll need are fabric, thread, sewing machine, fabric marker, scissors, tape measure, clips or pins, a mallet, grommet tools, and 2.5 or 3-inch binding rings.
Cut one piece of fabric in a rectangle 28 by 22.
Fold the blanket in half so the new size is 14 by 22. Be sure the nice side of the fabric is inside the fold.
Pin around the 3 loose edges.
Sew shut, leaving a 6-inch hole to turn the blanket right side out.
Turn the blanket right side out.
Sew the hole shut.
Now your blanket is done and ready for grommets.
Prepare fabric for the grommet and place the wood block underneath the fabric. Use a hammer and the long stem to pound a hole in the fabric. Place the grommet face down first with a grommet stem piece facing up. Place the hole over the fabric over the grommet. Place the washer on the top side, slipping down over the grommet.
Place the cylinder piece from the grommet kit on top of the washer and pound with a mallet. Check to see if the grommet is attached. If not, pound more.
Lay the blanket on the cat bed. Put one binding ring through each grommet.